Hi, my name is Jen, and I'm the dog mom of two very furry golden retrievers. As dog moms, I'm sure you can relate that there's pretty much hair everywhere. So when I saw this Furzapper, I thought I would give it a try. I have to say I was actually pretty reluctant about it. I did not think it would work, but I was looking for something other than a lint roller, so I thought I would give it a try. So the Furzapper is meant to go into the washer and the dryer. So basically I took the pants that had the dog fur all over it, threw it in the washer along with the Furzapper and put it on a light cold cycle. I was pleasantly surprised when I pulled out my pants to find that there was very little hair left on my pants. The Furzapper is made of silicone, so I know that it's very sticky and it definitely attracts hair and lint, but I was actually pleasantly surprised at how well it worked. So I thought I would take it to the next step and put it in the dryer with the Furzapper to see if it worked even better. So I threw both my pants and the Furzapper in there, ran it on a quick cycle, and when I pulled the pants out, it literally basically had no fur whatsoever on it. So I am definitely a Furzapper user, and I think if you have a dog or deal with a lot of lint and things like that, that you would really enjoy this product.